Hey there, it's Sarah. Have you ever wondered what those casual conversations with younger women might actually mean? Today, we're zeroing in on the phrases younger women use when they're genuinely interested in an older man. It's about decoding the language of attraction that often goes unnoticed. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the subtle words and hints that signal a younger woman's interest. Ready to grasp the nuances of romantic communication? Let's dive into the world of words and find out what she's really saying. 1. You're so different from guys my age. When she drops this line, it's a clear sign that she appreciates your experience and wisdom. She's basically saying, hey, you've got something special going on and I'm intrigued. But don't let it go to your head just yet. Make sure to back up that maturity with genuine substance. Show her that you're not just a pretty face with a few extra years under your belt, but a man who's got his life together and knows how to treat a woman right. And if you really want to impress her, try responding with a playful quip like, well, I've had a bit more time to practice being charming. It'll show her that you've got confidence and a sense of humor to match your mature persona. Just remember, gents, being different is a great start, but it's up to you to prove that you're the real deal. 2. I really admire your experience. When a younger woman says this, she's not just stroking your ego, she's acknowledging the value of your life journey. It's a sign that she's drawn to the depth and perspective you bring to the table. But don't just sit back and bask in the compliment. Use it as an opportunity to share some of your hard-earned wisdom with her. Tell her a story about a challenging experience you overcame or a lesson you learned the hard way. Show her that your experience isn't just a badge of honor, but a tool you use to navigate life with grace and resilience. And if you really want to make an impression, turn the tables and ask about her own experiences. Show genuine interest in her journey, and you'll demonstrate that you value her perspective just as much as she values yours. Remember, gentlemen, experience is attractive, but it's how you share and apply it that really sets you apart. 3. Do you have any advice on? Listen up. If a younger woman comes to you seeking advice, it's a surefire sign that she's interested in more than just your words of wisdom. When she asks, do you have any advice on? She's creating an opportunity to bond with you on a deeper level. She's showing that she trusts your judgment and values your input. But don't just dish out generic platitudes. Take the time to really listen to her query and offer thoughtful, personalized guidance. Share a relevant anecdote from your own life, or recommend a book or resource that's helped you navigate similar challenges. And don't be afraid to admit when you don't have all the answers. Vulnerability can be just as attractive as confidence, and it shows her that you're human too. Most importantly, use this as a chance to turn the conversation into a two-way street. Ask her for her thoughts and perspectives on the topic, and show that you're just as eager to learn from her as she is from you. Remember, gents, when a woman seeks your advice, she's not just looking for words, she's looking for a connection. 4. I bet you were quite the heartbreaker back in the day. Okay, fellas, when a younger woman says, I bet you were quite the heartbreaker back in the day, she's not just admiring your boyish charm, she's straight up flirting with you. This playful phrase is her way of saying, you're still a catch, and I'm definitely interested. But before you start dusting off your little black book, remember that this is an opportunity to showcase your maturity and wit. Instead of boasting about your past conquests, try responding with a self-deprecating joke or a charming deflection. Something like, well, I like to think I've always been more of a heart mender than a heartbreaker. It shows that you're confident enough to play along without taking yourself too seriously. And if you really want to up the ante, follow up with a compliment of your own. Tell her that she's got a spark that would have caught your eye at any age. It's a smooth way to reciprocate the flirtation while making her feel special in the moment. Just remember, guys, when a woman calls you a heartbreaker, it's your cue to show her that you're really a heart winner. 5. We should go there together. Gentlemen, when a younger woman starts making plans with you, it's a clear sign that she's invested in taking your connection to the next level. If she eagerly suggests, we should go there together, she's not just looking for a travel buddy, she's envisioning a future with you in it. But before you start packing your bags, take a moment to gauge her enthusiasm. Is she just casually mentioning a place she'd like to visit someday? Or is she actively trying to pencil you into her calendar? If it's the latter, then you've got the green light to start making some concrete plans. Suggest a specific date or activity and see how she responds. If she's all in, then congratulations, my friend. You've just scored yourself a date. But remember, the key to making this work is to keep things balanced. Don't just passively agree to all her suggestions. Come up with some ideas of your own. Show her that you're just as excited about the prospect of spending time together as she is. And above all else, make sure your plans align with your shared interests and values, because when it comes to building a lasting connection, compatibility is just as important as chemistry. 6. How come someone like you is still single? All right, gents. Here's a phrase that's bound to make your heart skip a beat. How come someone like you is still single? When a younger woman asks you this question, she's not just curious about your relationship status. She's hinting that she's interested in being the one to change it. But before you get too carried away, take a moment to consider your response. This is your chance to showcase your self-awareness and emotional intelligence. Instead of giving a laundry list of your past relationships or a bitter diatribe about the dating scene, try something honest and reflective. Maybe something like, I guess I've been waiting for the right person to come along, someone who can appreciate my quirks and keep me on my toes. It shows that you're not just looking for anyone, but someone special who can truly complement your life. And if you really want to seize the moment, follow up by turning the question back on her. Ask her what she thinks makes a relationship work, or what she's looking for in a partner. It'll show her that you're not just interested in her pretty face, but in her mind and heart as well. Remember, fellas, when a woman questions your single status, it's your invitation to show her that you're ready for something real. So now that you know what phrases reveal her interest, what's next for you? Discover how to decode her body language, or learn the subtle attraction signs men always miss. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.